Hello, my dear crafters. So today we have another box for our Valentine series 2025. Today we're doing a milk carton style of box. That's the one we're putting together because I want to show you all the possibilities of decoration, which is just an option. You will see how easy it is to put this together. That's the one we're making together. Here is another option. As you can see, it doesn't have all the details and see even the triangle on the side, but because I used the pattern paper and I wanted that to be shown. In this case here, I use solid as a base, and then I use the pattern paper as a decoration piece. Okay, so that's the box we're making today. Very easy, quick, and easy to mass produce. And if you do craft fairs, that's one that you'll sell very, very easily. And of course, because it's easy to make, it's a great option. Okay, so let me show you first the die set that we use for this, and then how to put it together. So let's first look at the die set. This is it right here. Very simple, actually. All you need to do is just to pass this through your machine once and then again, so 2 times, and the rest is more decoration. So as you can see here, we have this for the bottom of your box. So that's what that's for here. This part here is the side, if you want to. On this one I didn't use it, but you can use it here. The one that we're doing together, we use this decoration part. This here is the top right there, and that's the body of the box. And as you can see here, you can decorate individually with a mat like this. I used twice here, but you can use all around, which is what we're going to do next. Okay, so very, very easy, simple die, and a magic one, because this is something you can use during all year long for gifts, you know, for parties, party favors, for Christmas would be amazing, and it will be a great one for those of you who do craft fairs. Okay, so let me show you how to put it together. I'm going to zoom in. So we have this part here. That's the main part, and as you can see, the good thing about this die is that it also scores the lines that you need to fold. So everything is scored. All you need to do is just score on the folding lines. So he'll fold on the scoring lines actually. So here's one right there. There's another one. This is for the side. So it's like a V. We're going to score this in. These are the laps where you're going to, these flaps here, you're going to glue. You see how easy it is. First, we're going to decorate this before we do that, okay? So basically, all the scoring lines are done here, and we're going to decorate, which is the fun part. So I'm gonna get my glue here. This will go right here. Let me close a little bit closer. You'll need it even closer than that. So there we go. So we're just gonna put some glue. I'm gonna place this here. The other one I already did, the other part. So this will go here. So in this one, we're going to decorate the whole thing, just so you know how to use the die. So that's that. One more, and then you have that little triangle. So you can just use, if you use a pattern cardstock, not paper, but cardstock, so you don't need these layers here. You don't need to do any of this. It depends on, like, you see how I did with this one. I didn't even use the mat here. I used just for decoration, but I didn't use here or here because I wanted the paper to show, because it had a cute pattern. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to do it quicker and mass produce, that's what I would do. And my voice is still very strange. but it's getting better, I guess. So there you go, we're finished with the decorating. We already have the other one here, so all we need to do is just glue these two parts like that, and then we're going to fold it. So we're going to put some glue here on the flaps. I like to use my mat just to make sure that it's straight and aligned. See how easy it is? Like this. And just turn it around like this. So we have one side. The other ones, you just fold it in, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we have this flap here. See? So all you need to do now is just to fold it in like that and glue, okay? So very, very easy. I love this. I have been looking for a good die set for milk carton boxes because I really like this style, and I found that this is perfect. And the die set, you will see, also comes with a big like a container, and you can make 4 of these, and it's really cute, and you can maintain all 4 together, really like a carton, like a milk carton. So there we are. Let me zoom out a little bit. So here what we do is, remember, we fold it in like that, the scoring lines. I'm just gonna fold in again, and we're just gonna kind of push it in like this. See? And that's that. That's the top, and you see the decoration, which is absolutely optional. But before we do that, we have to, I forgot to fold in these lines, but that's all you need to do. The scoring line is there, that's for the bottom. So we just kind of pull it up a little bit to make it easier, and I already have the bottom ready. So all we need to do is just add glue to these flaps here, especially here on, like on the edge, to make sure that it doesn't, that it holds, and you put the bottom together like that. Very easy. I'm just gonna use the pressure here to push it down, and I'll use my bone folder. See, it's a very, very simple. You pass it through twice. Basically, you have the box ready. Decoration is an option, but the box will be ready. So there we are. We have the bottom, we have the sides, everything is ready. And all we need to do now is to add this top cute thing that comes with it. And the way that I do is, you don't want, of course, to glue the whole thing shut, because you have to be able to open it. So I just add some glue to one side like this, and I just push it in like that, making sure that the holes are aligned. I'm just using everything that comes with the die set, just so you see. And you glue just one side like this. Then the other one is just going to be a flap for when you close it with a ribbon. And you can also use one of those pins. That's cute too. You can use anything to close. I like, because it has holes, has 2 holes, I like to close with a ribbon. So that's what we're gonna do. So here we're going to tie a bow, and that's that. Let's cut the excess, and there you go. Let me zoom out so I can show you the other one. So here is what we made today, and here's the other one that I had. Isn't that the cutest thing? See, I use this kind of ribbon too. There, so I hope you enjoy this today. Great box, not just for Halloween, for Valentine's, but all year long. Do find the link below, and if you want to buy it, do it quick, because KS Crafts, they really sell out, which is quite frustrating, very fast, okay? So thank you so much for your time and for being here with me, and you have a wonderful day.